And what up? It's been a good minute. Haven't seen y'all in a cool little second. I think it's been about a good 2 weeks or so since I've actually released a vlog. So here we go, jumping it back into it. A lot of this hasn't really technically been my fault. The reason why I haven't been blogging, I've just been waiting on parts. I'm still waiting on the BC coilovers. Ones they sent here were the wrong ones. I sent them back for the true style, so I'm waiting for those to get here. The Vortex supercharger has been sent off. It's getting rebuilt. We're going from the SCI setup to the SI upgrades. Good news overall, since you guys haven't seen me. I know you guys remember the video where the SC got impounded and all that good stuff. Yeah, so that was a whole case that I was fighting for a high-speed chase or whatever. Ended up getting away, but they obviously came to the house and took the car. But we ended up beating that, so I got the case pretty much handled. I actually been going to court, and we fucking finally beat that shit. The first time they were offering some bullshit, talking about 3-year felony, 3-year probation, some other bullshit, a felony evasion, all that. Obviously, we wasn't taking that deal. Got a lawyer and got all that pretty much thrown out. At the end of the day, it's like, yeah, I fucking ran, but probable cause. You had no reason to be pulling me over in the first place. It was basically more so on some stereotype shit. You know, they thought the car was involved in the sideshow, which it wasn't. This car has never been to, or the SC has never been to a sideshow. So yeah, they were basically profiling the car, and they had no reason to pull me over. We ended up subpoenaing the dash footage and all the little cameras and stuff that they had. And yeah, it wasn't speeding like they said, and I didn't have lights out, so the case got dismissed. Regardless if I ran or not, case got dismissed because they never had probable cause. Even though I ran, probable cause still got thrown out. And yeah, so we ended up beating that case. So shout out to fucking the lawyer that helped me out. Appreciate you, much love. You're a real one. And she was cute too. My lawyer was hella cute. But anywho, this ain't about her. What we got going on today? Today we working on a 350. This diff is like super locked. It's been like this since I got it. So I'm about to drain this fluid. I'm gonna add some red line to it. You know, the red line will have some friction modifier. Hopefully we can get it to lock a little bit less. That way it's not so clunky. Because right now it's still kind of chirps and acts like welded, more so probably because whoever shimmed this diff shimmed it hella tight. So hopefully while adding the red line fluid, it will you know, reduce some of the lock that it has, and you know, get it to slip a little bit more, because I'm lightweight annoyed with all this lock it has. So let's go over here, let's get this fluid, and we're gonna jump into today. But yeah, I'm gonna be dropping the video of the high-speed chase, because the whole thing was recorded on live. Somebody took an actual video record of the of it. So now that the case is all done and situated, I will be adding it on here. So maybe I'll add it a little bit. Maybe I'll add it before here. I don't know where I'm gonna add it at, but you guys will see it somewhere in the video. So just stay tuned. But yeah, we're gonna get into today. And yeah, what's up? Missed y'all. Oh yeah, kids. Before you start your car, always make sure you put your seatbelt on. Safety first. We're advertising safety. There we go. Now we're off to our destination safely. And bam, just like that, we are here at the spot. So we just came to pick up some red line from here. Red line gear oil one time for the one time. But yeah, I don't know what's been going on. But as you can see, there's hella shit on the car. Yeah, I don't know if we've been having fires lately or something, but it is hella ash on top of the car. And then look. Damn, my vent flew off. Just had to order another one of those. Cold world, man. Jeez. Ash everywhere, though. That shit is crazy. Let's go up in here and get this gear oil. This is what we're looking for right here. Grab 2 of them jammies for the 350. Have a good one. Damn, that shift knob though, boy. Damn, little Zeddy, where you get that one from though? But yeah, now we off to Janky's. Hopefully this red line does fix this clunking. Listen to this shit. Check this shit out. Watch. God damn, little Zeddy. Are you sure that's not a fucking welded, homie? Jeez, bruh. But nah, that shit's hella loud. That shit's annoying as hell. So I really hope this new fluid fucking fixes this, because yeah, this is gonna drive me crazy. I do not like it. This continues, me knowing me, I'm gonna fuck around and go buy a new whole new diff, because this is not where it's at. So apparently now Janky's turned into like a freaking rock climbing shop. I don't know what this fool has going on. All kinds of, look, he even got an American flag up there. This fool is turning into a real fucking redneck. I kid you not. Went rock crawling a few times and now he's turned into a complete redneck, hella Americanized. Pull out your ID right now.
This is my green card. You racist.
That ain't racist. It's facts. Climb a couple rocks and think you American? It's not how this American citizenship thing works, boy. This is gonna be, hold on, cover photo. Hold on, right, let me get my right hand. Right there. America. Hold on, get all the stars right there. America. Here, come here. This is gonna be the cover photo for this for sure.
What?
Get over here.
What?
Just get over here. Nelson, you get over here too. You're American. Bring your ass. Get over here. There we go. This is gonna be a cover photo. Look proud. All right, there we go.
You gotta look up and to the right.
Hold on.
Look up and to the right.
All right, ready? Hold on.
Wait, maybe I need a rifle.
Yeah. Hella American right there, baby. America. Up to the right. I'll be off.
Up and to the right.
Hold on. There we go. Make sure we get the flag. We gotta get Nelson.
So everybody look at that light.
That light right there. Got it. All right, American right there. to show the patriotism also. This shit don't get no more fucking American than this. Whoa! Hold on. Can you tap the screen? It's a little light. They can't see it. You gotta tap right there. Tap it. Whoa! There we go. American don't get no more American than this, baby. Damn, bro. This is gonna be a real patriotic what's the name right here? Story vlog. Hold on. The red one, the red FD, the white FD, and then right there in the back corner, right over there, this brother right here, that is the other American. That one there has a 6.0 Big Brother LS full of America in it. But yeah, there's a whole lot of America going on in this shop. Even my car is blue. Damn, Daniel, we real color coordinated. New shop, Janky Americanized Motorsports is what this shit's gonna be called. Anywho, let me get into jacking this thing up right now. Fuck, gotta go over here and get the jack. Care how cool you think you are, we never get under cars without these things. Fuck that. I got bad luck. Fuck around and get mushed. My poor vent, man. It's gonna take forever for another one to get here too. So one thing I do not like about this is, look, shit has a gang of backlash.
Going too fast.
Relax.
I can hear the backlash. There's too much backlash.
That's a lot.
Yeah. But I mean, as far as it moving differently, that's not that big of a deal. From one side to the next, that's pretty normal.
All right, so now we need to grab, it's probably either a 12 or a 10. This is a 14. Ooh. But yeah, just out of good courtesy, anytime somebody lets you use their tools in their shop, make sure you clean this shit off when you put it back in the toolbox. Make sure you put everything back where the fuck it's supposed to go too. Anywho, fluid's all filled up. Just about to clean up this little mess that's spilled out right here. Lower the car down, and then pray it's not fucking going clunk 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 and shit anymore. And then maybe I'll go shoot this thing off. I don't really feel like washing it. Hopefully, if my dude's there that usually washes it, I'll have him wash it. But if not, then I'm just about to spray this shit down and get all this ash off. I don't really feel like sitting there washing and drying and doing all the other stuff. So yeah, fingers crossed. Just cross your fingers. Fingers crossed emojis in the comments. Nah, just playing. Ooh, this is a good one. Maybe I use this as a cover photo. The only RX-7 in the shop without an LS in it. This one gotta go. Looks good though. So I'm pulling out of Janky's right now. Ugh, that sounded so fucking homo. I'm leaving Janky's right now. I'm about to drive the car and see if it feels a little bit better or whatnot. Hopefully it does. Hopefully it's not clunking and shit like it was. But yeah, about to go wash all this crap off my car. So far, no clunking though. No clunking so far. That's a good thing. But we'll see once the fluid gets warmed up. Hopefully we don't have any clunking at all. But can't tell until the fluid gets warmed up. So let's drive this thing around and then we shall jump back into this G thing. No clunking. Alright, so we have some good news. Good fucking news. The diff isn't clunking. On a short drive here to go get the car washed, didn't really clunk too much at all. Seems to be a lot smoother than what it was. But hopefully it stays that way. You know, sometimes you'll fix something and then it'll fuck around and be like, oh, it's fucking fixed. Yeah. Then next thing you know, it's like, oh, fuck, bro. This shit ain't fixed. This shit's still doing the same shit. But as of right now, the red line fluid has helped. And it's doing a lot better. But, you know, no promises. So I can't say if it's going to stay like this. We'll see when we get there. But my dude is at the car wash, luckily. So I can have him wash the car for me right now. And I need to make a phone call to Ed Schumann. Ed Schumann is the tuner or the owner at ED, so I can't print. Sorry, fuck, I fucking butchered the shop name. Sorry about that. I can't think of what it's called right now. But they are the people that are going to tune the 350Z for me. He hit me up on Facebook. I looked him up. Everything seems to be cool. Seems to have a lot of reviews, and he has the UpRev software, and he can install it along with, you know, a bunch of other features from UpRev. So I'm gonna go through him and have him tune the 350Z. So hopefully the tune does come out good. But since they're so booked and backed up, I gotta make an appointment now because they are, I think, about a month and a half or 2 months booked out or whatever. So I need to call him while he cleans his car and then set up an appointment. That way, you know, everything's just all set up. So when a supercharger does go on, I can take it straight there and get it tuned. So yeah, let me get out this thing, let my mans get to washing, and we got to make some phone calls and get everything, you know, set up and get this shit ready to be in the bag, baby. Hey, alright, so I just called Ed just now. The appointment was made August 16th. That's when the 350Z will be getting tuned. So yeah, deposit's already sent, so we locked in for that date. Here you go. All the ash and all that crap from the fire. Young dirty girl, oh my gosh, she is hurt, but we're about to flip that thing and get her clean. And bam, fresh and so clean, no more ash. That's crazy, man. The fire like 200 miles away, but obviously the wind carried that shit way over here and on top of my car. All clean. Now we up out of this thing. Alright, so I'm just getting back to Janky's. I'm about to be pretty much wrapping this G thing up. This is gonna be it for this vlog. I mainly wanted to do this vlog to let you know your boy is still alive. I'm just waiting on parts. That's why I haven't been posting anything. The SC's been slowly but surely getting chopped away, little by little. supercharger stuff, like I said earlier, that's at Vortec already, and I'm just waiting for coilover. So I'm just waiting for the parts to get here. So I guess when the parts come, I'll have a flurry of vlogs coming and dropping. And yeah, another thing was I wanted to tell y'all that I beat that case. No felony evasion on my record. Ended up getting rid of that. So that's a plus to that. I'll be dropping the video. It's a little bit of a what you call a screen recording from another video or whatever. Somebody recorded my live or whatever. So I'll be dropping that. That way y'all can see kind of what happened. That was a crazy night on the gram. Just overall wild shit. But 6 months of fighting that shit, finally beat it, got it out the way. So yeah, probably won't be running from the police again. But anywho, let's wrap this thing up. Until next time. Hopefully parts come soon, that way I can drop more videos for y'all. But enjoy. If y'all don't follow me on the gram, follow me on the gram. Feel free to hit me up on there. I do post a lot on there. So it's MIKE_MYKE. Mike _Mike. That's how you can find me on the gram if you don't follow me on there already. But yeah, until next time, deuces. I need to make an outro. Maybe I'll make an outro this weekend or something like that. But yeah, deuces, we out. Them niggas try some foo-foo shit, I swear to God, I'm about to be fucking out, nigga. Out. On live, I'm about to be out on their ass. About to be fucking out. What the fuck? Y'all think I'm playing?